Hello friends, in today's video we are going to give a look on how mace or Javitri can help you to control blood sugar levels. So let's start with the introduction. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is essential for overall well-being. With the increasing prevalence of diabetes and related health conditions, it is crucial to explore natural remedies that can aid in controlling blood sugar levels. The power of spice that has gained attention for its potential benefits in managing blood sugar is mace. It is also known as Javitri. In this article, we will see some important properties of mace and how it can contribute to controlling blood sugar levels. Now, let's start with what is mace. Mace is a spice that comes from the outer covering of the nutmeg seed. It is also known as Javitri. Mace has a warm and sweet flavor and is commonly used as a seasoning in various cuisines. It is derived from the aril of the Myristica fragrans tree, which is native to Indonesia. Maize and nutmeg are closely related, with maize being the lacy red outer covering and nutmeg being the hard seed inside. Both maize and nutmeg has been used in traditional medicine and cooking for their aromatic flavor and enhancing the properties. Now let's check out the nutritional profile of maize. Mace, the outer covering of the nutmeg seed, is not only rich in flavor but also offers various nutritional benefits. Here is an overview of nutritional value of mace. Mace has vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fibers. Important vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin B6, whereas minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium play an important role, and antioxidants. Antioxidants contains phenolic compounds and essential oils. It is rich in dietary fiber too. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and promote a feeling of fullness, which can also aid in weight management. Now let's check out antioxidant properties. Mace is rich in antioxidants which help to combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can lead to cellular damage and contribute to development of chronic conditions including diabetes. By including mace in your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and potentially reduce the risk of blood sugar imbalances. Regulation of insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity refers to how effectively your body cells respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Studies have suggested that mace may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the cell to effectively take up glucose from the bloodstream. This can aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Enhanced glucose metabolism. Proper glucose metabolism is crucial for preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Mace has been found to enhance glucose metabolism by improving the activity of enzymes involved in sugar breakdown and utilization. By supporting healthy glucose metabolism, mace can help in maintaining a steady supply of energy to the body and prevent blood sugar fluctuations. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Mace exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Mace may contribute to better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. Now let's see potential side effects. While mace is generally considered safe for consumption, it is important to use it in moderation. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort, allergic reactions in some individuals. If you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications, it is advisable to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating mace into your diet. Now let's take a look on conclusion. Incorporating mace into your diet can be a valuable addition to your efforts in controlling blood sugar levels. Its antioxidant properties, ability to regulate insulin sensitivity, enhance glucose metabolism, and reduce inflammation make it a promising natural remedy. However, it is important to remember that mace should be used as a part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended for personalized advice on managing blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.